Hey family, welcome to the Ali Caro Vlogs. I'm Alicia Fernandez. I hope you are doing perfectly fine. And yes, today is Dussehra and I wish all our viewers a very happy Dussehra. Well, in today's video, we are going to do a very interesting unboxing. For quite some time that I have been thinking about buying this particular product, but I was not very sure. And finally, after a lot of comments and suggestions by a lot of people regarding the audio of my YouTube channel, I decided to purchase this particular product, which is the Digitech 2-in-1 wireless microphone system. So, what's the delay? Let's get started in unboxing this one. Really better. I'm using these wonderful microphones that are giving us some really good audio. I hope the audio is much more better. Though the fan is on, the AC is on, but I'll show you the difference how it is without this and with it. So green signifies that it is connected to your microphone. Now that if I turn this off,
at the moment, you can clearly make out the difference between the same.
becomes green. Yes, the moment it becomes green, it helps us understand that it is connected. The biggest advantage why I went for this particular product is it can be used with both iOS as well as the Android, and two people can be interviewed using this particular microphone because it has another microphone in it. Yes, let's get started. As we open this particular box, we have this case, which is the charging case.
So this Digitech charging case is very compatible and you can carry it with you everywhere that you can go. It has two microphones and one receiver.
I can remove this and show it to you. At one time, we can pair two microphones. So that is, my microphone is already paired. Additionally, I paired one more microphone, which I can use it for interviews. Now, in this itself, what the best thing is that on this itself, you get to see the percentage of how much it is charged. It takes usually 15 to 20 minutes to charge this particular case. Depends upon how much it is drained out. Have a manual which very few people go through, but yes, it's always better to go through the manual because it helps you understand your product better. So it is a detailed manual about how you go about with charging your device, what are the things you need to keep in mind, basically how to turn on your microphone and how to turn it off as well. It gives you an idea. So it tells you how it is plugged in, what are the things that you need to keep in mind. Basically, once to turn this particular device on, all you need to do is you need to press and hold for at this power button. There's a small power button. If you can see, there's a small power button here. So if you press and hold that for 3 seconds, you can see the light will start blinking. And that's how it gets connected, and it shows you the percentage how much your microphone is at. Along with this charging case, we also have an accessory box. So in this accessory box, we have this Type C to USB cable charger. You charge the microphones and the receiver at the same time using this charging case.
So this is the iPhone OTG, which will help you connect your iPhones to the receiver, which is already a C-type. So we connect the C-type to this OTG. A mic windshield, which is ideally used to shield your mic from the wind and remove the air blast sounds from whenever it is recorded outdoors, especially, or whenever there is excessive of sounds.
And yes, the audio must have got better. Along with this, we have this wonderful bag that is given by Digitech, so you can carry your products along with you in this handy bag, your case as well as your additional any accessories that you would like to carry if you don't want to take this huge box with you. So yes, I think this is a lifesaver to many of them who are watching this videos. And if you have a YouTube channel, this is a must buy, though this is not any kind of partnership, but if it is a good product, I definitely recommend it to my friends, families. And yes, with that, we come to the end of this particular video. I hope you like this video. If our audio has turned out to be a little bit better than the previous videos, do comment down below and let us know. This was the Ali Carroll review videos. If you have any particular product that you want us to review, please do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching our video and always supporting us. We hope and pray you have an amazing week ahead. And yes, keep following your favorite Ali Carroll vlogs. Bye-bye.